Ever wondered why your skin never looks as flawless as you desire? Could vitamin E be the missing piece in your skincare routine? Many of us grapple with common skin issues like dryness, uneven skin tone, signs of aging, and pesky acne. These problems can often be linked to a lack of essential nutrients, one of which is vitamin E. This powerhouse vitamin plays a crucial role in maintaining skin health. So let's dive into the world of vitamin E and how it can revolutionize your skincare routine. So how can you incorporate vitamin E into your skincare routine? It's quite simple, really. First, start off with a clean canvas. Cleanse your skin gently, washing away any dirt or makeup that might hinder the absorption of vitamin E. Once your skin is clean, it's time to apply the vitamin E. Now, if you have vitamin E capsules, you can simply prick the capsule with a clean needle and squeeze out the oil. Use your fingertips to gently massage the oil onto your skin in a circular motion. This helps with better absorption and also boosts circulation. But wait, there's more. For an added hydration boost, you can mix the vitamin E oil with a bit of Vaseline. This combination not only nourishes your skin, but also locks in the moisture, giving your skin a healthy, youthful glow. The key to reaping the benefits of vitamin E is consistency. So don't just apply it once and forget about it. Make this a part of your routine. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. So ensure you follow these steps regularly. Now that we've covered the how, let's shed light on the why. Why should you use vitamin E on your skin? Well, vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can help hydrate your skin, even out your skin tone, and fight signs of aging. It can also help reduce acne and leave your skin looking fresh and vibrant. With so many benefits, it's no wonder vitamin E is a skincare superstar. So why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself?